Hey, welcome back, Sneakerheads. How you doing? How you doing?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, we just coming back with y'all live, giving y'all these sneaker updates and hearing about these rumors. You heard any rumors lately?
Yes, sir. Hey, there's a shot drop. Shot drop. Yes, sir. Right now, we don't know the specific day or time, but there is a shot drop on the UNC toe. So, hey, check us out. Hey, we'll keep you posted on when that go drop.
Hey, before we go any further, go ahead and give it a like to this video. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. So moving on, just want y'all opinions about these sneakerheads. As you already seen the little promotion that Travis Scott did with Nike, he was wearing those Nike Mac Attacks. But now his pair that he was showing with, he was playing with John McEnroe. Pair had the backward swoosh. But I noticed like the pair that they're talking about and releasing, I'm looking at them. They don't have the backward swoosh on them. So is this a deal breaker for you if they don't have the backward swoosh? Or are you still copping these or dropping these? Let me know in the comments.
Don't forget on the 30th, which is Friday, those infrared sevens are coming out. If you liking them, hey, they drop this Friday on the 30th. So, hey, they're available for you then.
All right, moving on, finishing off this week's. We just have an update. The Jordan 13 Wolf Gray. These are coming out on Saturday on the 1st. Retail price is $210. I do think that that's very high for Jordan 13. The predominant colorway is white upper, has that gray midsole, white on the tiger print, and a red bottom. Let me know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? I
Yeah.
don't foresee these being good. As you know, these came out in December, and these was like sitting. So I
Yeah.
don't expect these to do good at all. And
No.
also with that 210 price point, I don't see them selling out. I just see them sitting. What about you? What do you think?
Hey, I'm gonna tell you. Hey, we know why they were sitting. Hey,
Why is that?
because they were going up against these.
Oh, bam,
That's why they were sitting. Hey, what you
man.
guys think of them? Yeah, y'all see
Oh,
them.
don't. Hey,
Yeah.
those are fire, straight red fire, fire
Hey,
flames, baby, all
yes,
day,
sir.
every
That's
day.
why. That's why they were sitting. But look, hey, if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we always say, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.